Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to be making another one of these boards which I use to roll flat sheets of clay on. They're really simple to make. This is just a piece of masonite or similar board. These are balsa strips used in model making. Really any piece of lumber will do. You just need them to be consistent so that both sides, here and here, are the same height, same depth. I have one drying back there, and I have one here that I'm just going to assemble. And so I have different sizes. So I have 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch. And what it does is if you're rolling clay and you want to get a consistent sheet, because the roller stays on top of these two rails, it'll make sure everything's even all the way across. So to make one, get your piece of masonite, your 2 strips of wood, some ordinary wood glue, and a couple of clamps. So pretty straightforward. My masonite board, my railings, my glue, bunch of clamps, 2 different types, doesn't really matter. Yeah, here we go. So we'll start by just putting the glue on. Now when I bought these, I had this sheet of plywood cut in half for me, but I already knew that the length of the strips were going to match. It doesn't actually matter if it's perfect or not. And so now we flip it over, put it in place, grab our clamp, boom, done. So you do this 4 times, 1 on each edge, and let it dry. So this is the board that we just made, and I wanted to show it in action so that you have an idea of how it works. What I've done here is I've taken a similar board, same thing, it's got 2 rails, and I've taken an old t-shirt and stretched it across and just taped it on with duct tape. And so now I'm going to roll out this piece of clay so you can see how it works. Clay is a little wet, which is why it's sticking to my doweling here, but you will get the idea. And so now, what I've got is a nice, even sheet of clay. So, easy project. Hope you give it a whirl and it works out for you. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks. Bye.